Hello everyone, welcome back. And today I want to show you another platform which I know the founder, and I want to just guide you. I never been inside the platform, and I want to just guide you inside and see what we can do, and where we can build augmented reality and maybe 3D configurators. So, before to start, again, I'm Antonio Furioso and I help e-commerce install augmented reality and 3D product configurators. So now let's start and let's dive into the platform. So first of all, I'm in the home page and I can create augmented reality experience and also 3D configurators. But let's start and let's go to maybe customer login and sign up. So I will sign up. I have 15-day for free and we'll skip this part. Okay, I'm inside the platform after signing up, and let's see what we can do. So here we have different options, I can see team, so I can add other team members, my license, so which plan I am up to, my subscription, and here I have Resize 3D, which is a guide on how to remodel the 3D through Sketchfab, and then the blog, etc. So let's go home and let's see how to create our first augmented reality experience. So the nice things is that we have here the template, so we just have to copy paste the thing and edit the template, and we will try maybe later. But I want to see how to create. So create augmented reality campaign, and we have different type here, as we can see. So surface AR, image based, eye tracking, location, and marker based AR. So I'm going for the classic, so where I can just place an object on the ground, and I will call it video trial. And then here it's a guide on how to begin. And if we don't have 3D models, we can skip this part. But I have 3D models, so I will upload my 3D model. So let's create our campaign. And I think it's created. So we have just seen. So view details. We can scan the QR code, download the QR code so we can maybe pass somewhere, generate the iframe code, and simplify styling, revert to original. Okay, view campaign. So I upload this jersey that of course doesn't touch the ground because it's a jersey, but at the moment I wasn't finding other object. But we can just from desktop view the 3D and click the view space, so scan the QR code and project on our space, in our space. So that's nice. It's also nice that auto rotates to show me how it is the object. And here I think I can go all screen and also share and maybe capture a screenshot. Yeah, that's actually nice. What we can do, we can maybe so integrate with Ecommerce, and then we have different option here that I didn't see before. So we can go home, hire show dashboard. Let's see hire show. It's the experience, so it's where we are now. Let's see the dashboard. Okay, I'm in the dashboard and I'm on $10 plan. But what can I see is the dashboard is practically the analytics. So for example, it saw that for example, I'm in Poland, Warsaw, and it tracks that I'm here, that I saw the experience from here. So nice that I can have these analytics. and like I cannot go down, yeah, because like here like I'm on a basic plan, so I do not have these other analytics, but it would be very cool to understand like from where they are, what device they use, so that we can improve the experience. Then we have like, we should have some insight. Yeah, you see like some other analytics, so like the total unique visitors we have. So it's like if I see the experience 2 times, I will be counted like 1. How much the campaign was running, which is nice. I never see this metric in all the software that I've tried. And then we have the screen 3D model, where we can see our 3D model that we had, and we can 3D view. We can maybe see other product, but I just upload this. Send to someone, maybe. Download the GLB that we uploaded. Then we have GLB export. So we can also convert the GLB in USDZ format for like iOS. And then web editor. So the web editor is just, I think with code. Yeah. So if you know like HTML language and CSS, you can edit, I think, the 3D viewer that we saw before. So like edit and like save, for example. And then the settings. So in the settings, we can delay this experience, shut it down, or restart maybe if something is going wrong, and also update the domain. So instead of like seeing, I'll show you. I'm going view details and view campaign. So instead of seeing this domain, I can put my own domain. So that's cool. And I think we could create a more advanced experience. So I can add the new campaign and can be surface, image, again, eye tracking, location. I want to try location, which is, I think, very cool. Okay. So for example, where I want to base this, I want to, for example, placed in Warsaw. Where is it? Okay, I will place here, for example, and provide a name of description. So trial experience. So this is practically when the user like scan a QR code or open a link, it can see the experience in that place where we place. This is very nice, guys. So create the augmented reality campaign, and it's saying that I have to wait 10 minutes. Okay, I don't know why it's this, but maybe once you waited 10 minutes, you can like create your campaign, adding like your object, etc. Okay, but now that we created our campaigns and you can subscribe and explore more inside the platform and create your own augmented reality experience, I want to see the pricing plan. So maybe let's go to the license page, and we had the different pricing plans. We have 4 pricing plans, and like as we can see, this is just for hobby because it's just up to 5 augmented reality experience, but we have pretty the identical stuff that we have in the basic or in the starter plan. Just change few things. So for example, here we have the GDPR compliance and basic support. Then here we have white label AR, so in our experience, they will not show their logo, for example. And then basically the same with priority, support, and 10 3D rendering model in the expert plan. So I think based on the number of product that you have, maybe around 100, you can go to the popular plan or to the expert plan if you want like the 3D rendering, and also the discount on the model, and also a priority tech support, which is always convenient to have. So based on this, I think the platform is studied very well, and like it's easy to create augmented reality experience. It's just like plug and play. So it's like I connect my e-commerce to their platform, I upload my 3D models, and I just get the links to maybe pass the links in some button on my e-commerce, or even create a QR code and personalized QR code if I want to place, for example, my experience on some physical catalogs or somewhere else, maybe in my city, to create a more immersive experience while customers are around the city, for example. So that's great, and I hope you understand the platform and you will try. Let me know in the comments the experience that you built with this platform, and see you at the next video.